Yeah, it's growing. What can you say? All four walls looking like that. In fact, I think I have to do this all over again to make better space allocation. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but anyway. Found this today. I thought it was cookies, in time for Christmas. But it turns out it's a puzzle with cookies. See, right there. Yeah, with Hot Wheels shaped cookies. So let's see what we got here. Not selling well, I guess, because it was like $5 or something like that. Let's open this up and see what we got inside. Oh, by the way, here's the bottom of the box. They always do this in Costa Rica. They cover up important details with the stickers. But it's the chocolate chip cookies by Hot Wheels with a puzzle. Oh, here we go. Here's what we got in there. A puzzle. Actually, let me just put this down. There's the puzzle. And how many pieces does it say? Oh, 150. Okay, 150 pieces. I think I can handle that. And the cookies. Well, let's take a look and see what these things have to offer, huh? Oh, okay. Interesting. I wonder if every one I pull out is going to be different. Well, pretty much the same, actually. Oh, no, this one's different. The Hot Wheels logo. Interesting. Another Hot Wheels logo. And different kind of car. This could go on forever because there's 150 puzzle pieces, but there's about 300 cookies. If they're on sale, they may have been made in China in like 1982 or something. Yeah, they all kind of look the same. Let's go down to the bottom and see what we got there. Not much the same. Let's see. Not bad. Tastes like a chocolate chip cookie. Expiry date? January 2023.